hopefully be back. But our point is, our unity will be our strength.
County ya Siaya nigo yabwatokeirwe amarioga ya isaine chiringi milioni 45 echo ayuara chikwena nwa uchiase chika usase chinyagitari chonsi amarioga abaga kwena no kurwase kiombi yokwena na amarioga imense ya Kenya agia Kemsa ukona chinga kyabaga kwariganya amarioga yo mugavana bwe county ya Siaya James Orengo nigateba na niga uchi kwene kya amarioga yo abira kwena no ase chinyagitari chonsi bunenjira yemo yo korobya obokoreri gochiase abananchi ibe county ya Siaya.
There is nothing as bad as having a health facility, but without facilities and without medical commodities, some of which are health saving. If you don't have a particular drug at a particular time when needed, you may lose a life. We have also agreed that we must ring-fence the money meant for medical commodities. It should not be touched. Whatever problem we have in the county, we will not touch any single cent.